5 amazing Patanjali products that you should try. Now before I start talking about Patanjali products, I want to make this clear that this video is not sponsored by Patanjali, nor do I have any kind of relation or association with them. I am just like you, a consumer looking to buy genuine and value for money products. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Patanjali Ayurved Limited is an Indian consumer goods company which has taken the FMCG market by storm. It is the fastest growing FMCG company in India, valued at over 30 billion rupees. They have a wide variety of products ranging from Ayurvedic medicines to grocery to cosmetics to various other household items. Among all these Patanjali products, I have picked up 5 products which in my opinion are genuine, high in utility and value for money. Starting with number 5 on the list is Patanjali's Divya Gulab Jal. Gulab Jal or rose water is a tonic for skin. It is a great cleanser that removes oils and dirt accumulated in the clogged pores. It also has astringent and toning properties that help tighten the pores and brighten the complexion of the skin. But why Patanjali? Why not Dabur's Gulabari, which is way more popular and widely used than Patanjali's Divya Gulab Jal? Well, the answer lies in their ingredients. If you see Patanjali's Divya Gulab Jal, each 10 ml has 10 ml of Gulab Jal. So for each drop of it, you are getting nothing else but pure rose water. However, this is not the case with Dabur's Gulabari. If you look at its ingredients, apart from water and rose oil, it has propylene glycol. Propylene glycol is a harsh alcohol which is suspected to cause serious damage to skin if regularly used. Apart from the ingredients, 120 ml of Dabur's Gulabari will cost you rupees 45, whereas the same quantity of Patanjali's Divya Gulab Jal will cost you rupees 28. So definitely go for Patanjali's Divya Gulab Jal and nourish your face skin. Number 4 on the list is Patanjali's Shuddh Shilajit. Shilajit is a thick, sticky, a tar-like substance predominantly found in Himalayas. Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, mentions Shilajit to have over 85 minerals in its ionic form. Sushrut Samhita states that Shilajit is so powerful that it can cure all the disorders of the human body. So Patanjali's Shuddh Shilajit is one Ayurvedic product that you should definitely try. 20 grams of Patanjali's Shuddh Shilajit will cost you rupees 94. It may sound pricey, but really it is worth the money. It is recommended to have 1 to 2 drops of Shilajit with milk in evening. Number 3 on the list is Patanjali's newly launched virgin coconut oil. Virgin oils are the ones which are extracted by mechanically pressing the seeds rather than using heat or chemical solvents. Coconut oil has a high smoking point, making it not only ideal for cooking but also frying. Even though coconut oil is high in saturated fat, there is nothing to worry about, as the special kind of saturated fat in coconut oil is called medium chain fatty acids. Unlike the long chain fatty acids found in the animal saturated fat, medium chain need not be broken down in the small intestine and are directly delivered to liver for energy. Today there are over 1500 studies proving coconut oil to be the healthiest foods on the planet. 250 ml of Patanjali's virgin coconut oil, which is free from any kind of adulteration, will cost you rupees 170. It is much more budget friendly than the other brands in the market. Number 2 product on the list is Patanjali's Ashwagandha Churn. Ashwagandha is a prominent herb in Indian Ayurvedic medicine and has become a popular supplement due to its numerous health benefits. It has been used for over 3000 years to relieve stress, increase the energy levels and improve concentration. 1 teaspoon of Patanjali's Ashwagandha Churn in milk before going to bed at night will fetch you the best results. Since it is most effective to balance the stress hormone, it will also help you sleep better. Now before I reveal my top pick, I want to convey that we should not blindly follow Patanjali. There are many products by Patanjali which are substandard. Here are a few dishonorable mentions. Patanjali's face wash isn't an Ayurvedic medicine as the pack promises. It has many harmful chemicals like urea. The mixed fruit jam by Patanjali is another commercial product which is no better than other fruit jams in the market. Even the Atta Maggi by Patanjali is not worth the craze. Patanjali's Kesh Kanti hair oil isn't pure either. It is adulterated with synthetic colors which do more harm to the skin than good. so it is always better to go through the ingredients before you choose anything to buy. Coming back, at number 1 on the list is Patanjali's dishwash bar. This wood ash based product by Patanjali is one of its kind. Since time immemorial, we Indians have been using wood ash domestically for cleaning the utensils and gardening, as it is a very good source of potash. Patanjali has clearly stated on their website that this dishwash bar is an organic product made of non-toxic and 100% natural ingredients. The soap doesn't contain any artificial additives like colors, fragrances, enzymes, bleaches or harmful chemicals. On the other hand, if we compare it with the most popular Vim bar, it has some harmful chemicals. Moreover, comparing the cost effectiveness, Patanjali is the clear winner. 160 gram of Vim bar will cost you rupees 10, whereas for the same cost you will get 170 gram of Patanjali's wood ash dishwash bar. Definitely an amazing product by Patanjali. I want to confirm that I am not with or against Patanjali or any other brand for that matter. I judge a product on its merit. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. Would you want me to make more brand specific videos? If yes, then please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Let me know the names of the brands in the comment section. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.